Husqvarna just released a brand new residential zero-turn mower, and it's one of the best residential zero-turn mowers to hit the market in 2023. Plus, it's got a lot of great new features that I've never seen before on a residential mower. It's called the Husqvarna Xcite and comes in two SKUs, the Z350 and Z380. In this video, we'll go in depth, covering all the specifications and features that come on this best-in-class mower, and what you should expect to pay for one. Now subscribe to the Tractor Bob YouTube channel, and let's get started. It's important to know that the Xcite Z350 and Z380 are categorized as high-end residential mowers. However, the Z380 has more commercial quality components, so it'll be just fine for commercial users. The mowing deck is fabricated and made of 10-gauge solid steel. The mower has a steel reinforced leading edge and comes in a 54-inch cut as of 2023. Down the road, I'm assuming they might come out with more cutting width options. I like the bumper guard on the driver's left-hand side of the mower. However, I've never been crazy about the spring-loaded plastic chute. The mower does come with an optional bagging system that does not require a blower. The double bagger that you can get for this mower costs $650. The mowing deck on the Husqvarna Xcite comes with 3 Husqvarna cast iron DuraSharp blades, which are guaranteed to stay sharp for 5 years. For the deck height adjustment, this mower comes with a really nice foot pedal plus dial system with a foot activated transport lock. The dial itself is a new design which I like. The cut height variability for the mower is 1.5 to 4.5 inches with a total of 12 cut height settings. One of the most exciting things about the all-new Xcite mowers is the features it comes with. For starters, this mower has a new type of suspension system. Check out this short clip explaining how the suspension works.
This best-in-class suspension features adjustable springs with 10 comfort settings. Customize your ride by setting the tension on each shock. Simply pull the pin, slide to the desired setting, and release the pin to secure your choice. Since the springs are independent, any pairing is possible, providing 10 options for customizable comfort. For example, an operator that weighs around 130 pounds might select ride option 1A, and an operator that weighs around 300 pounds might select ride option 4C. Another feature of the suspension is a 4-bar link system that allows for vertical-only movement and eliminates rocking or wobbling. You'll glide along rough terrain without leaving your seat.
Personally, I really like the placement of the suspension shocks. It looks like a cool Hot Wheels toy or something. More impressively than the way it looks though, is the way it feels when driving the mower. The ride is super smooth once you have the settings dialed to your weight. I'm 6'2" and 220 pounds, and this mower still felt extremely comfortable to drive. I really like the LED light bar that's mounted in the front. It's integrated nicely into the mower and feels like a bonus feature. The seat is not the most spacious I've seen for a high-end residential mower. The Z350 comes with a 15-inch seat back without armrests, while the Z380 comes with an 18-inch seat back with armrests. But overall, the design and stitching is quite nice, and it's an adjustable seat. As far as storage goes, you get a cup holder on the driver's left-hand side, and the rear engine guard also functions as an accessory rack for transporting small items like a storage box or tools. The transport rack is surprisingly heavy duty. I also really appreciate the tie-down spots on the front and rear for easy transport. There are 2 more cool features that come on this mower. The first is the smart controls built into the steering arms, which allow you to start and stop the engine of the mower, as well as engage the blades and receive visual alerts. This is a really neat feature because it puts more control right at the user's fingertips, makes the mower super quick and easy to start. It's also something that you normally see on mowers much pricier than this one. The second really cool feature is the digital display, which allows you to receive service reminders, check your fuel levels, start and stop your mower, and turn on the LED light bar. All the controls on this mower are really easy to use, and none of it feels too high-tech or over the top. The Husqvarna Xcite mowers have a lot of great features, but what about the components? Well, the quality of the components is different from the Husqvarna Xcite Z350 to the Z380. For the engine, the Z350 comes with the Kohler 7000 series, which is 24 horsepower and comes with a high-performance element air filter. The Z380 comes with the Kohler 7000 Pro, which is a 26 horsepower engine and comes with a Pro element air filter. Both the Xcite mowers come with a 4.31 gallon gas tank. The transaxles that come on the Z350 are the Tough Torque TZ3 Z350s, which are high-end residential grade transaxles, while the Z380 comes with Parker HTE transaxles, which are more commercial-oriented transaxles. Because of this difference, the top speed of the mowers vary as well. The Z350 has a top speed of 7 miles per hour, while the Z380 has a top speed of 9 miles per hour. The placement of the battery is somewhat unique, which is accessible by removing the title plate located under the seat. The threaded dial that latches both the battery plate and the floorboard into place is easy enough to use, but is not my personal preference, and the accessibility to all the major components is definitely not the best we've seen on this channel. Before we get to the price, let's talk about the dimensions of the Husqvarna Xcite Zero Turn Mowers. The overall length is 78.75 inches, the overall width, including the deck plus the chute, is 68 inches, and the height is 46 inches. The rear wheels on the Z350 are 20 by 10 by 8.5, and the Z380 has 22 by 10 by 10 rear tires. Both have Reaper style tread on the back. Both mowers have 13 by 6.5 by 6 smooth tread front caster tires. The weight of the Z350 is 795 pounds, and the weight of the Z380 is 828 pounds. Now for the price of the Husqvarna Xcite mowers. All prices are subject to change, but the starting price for the Z350 is $5,499, which is a pretty good deal considering all the high-end residential components plus all the packed-in features. Now, if you're wanting something a bit more commercial-oriented, you can get the Z380 for $6,999. What you're getting for that $1,500 increase is a slightly more powerful engine, a higher top speed, more commercial-oriented transaxles, plus a slightly larger tire on the Z380 and a better seat. Worth it in my opinion. As far as recommendations go, I think this mower is a great option for residential users who want a high-quality zero-turn mower. I would also recommend this mower for commercial users who need a quality mower for right around $7,000 that can handle regular light-duty commercial use. I would not recommend this mower to folks who have a large sloped area to mow that exceeds 10 or 15 degrees, or for folks who have a lawn that requires over 5 acres of mowing. Thank you so much for watching this video on the Husqvarna Xcite Z350 and Z380 zero-turn mowers. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up, that really helps us out a lot. Hit that subscribe button to see more content like this, and tap the bell icon to stay notified. Have a great day.